They want to calculate the area of sector now. So you're just going to put in. So theta is 53 out of 360 times pi r is 9.5 square. And put into your calculator, your answer is going to be 41.74 cm square. Some students say, Desmond, I'm just going to put 41.7 cm square directly. Okay? Let's say you guys say you don't want to put it here. You guys want to put it directly like this. Do you get marks here? No. No marks. Why? Because they want you to show correct to one decimal. They want to show, they want you to show how you correct. Guys, whenever you do exam, just treat all your markers are just a kindergarten student, okay? They don't know you're working one. They don't know you're working. Just treat them as a young kid that you guys are trying to prove him you are right, okay? Just treat them as a young kid. You are trying to prove yourself that you are correct and he's wrong. And you're going to prove it. How are you going to prove? So you want to correct, so you need to write the full one first. Only then, I will put the curly equal sign and I say I round off to 41.7. Only then here, you will be awarded with 2 marks. Okay? By rounding off 1 mark, by substituting 1 mark. Okay? Rounding off, you get 1 mark here. Okay? Okay, teacher, would it be still correct if I use the AddMaths method? Now, if you're using AddMaths method, says radian, using radian and all that, AddMaths concepts cannot apply in mathematics. Okay? If that concept, you have it in mathematics, you can apply it. But if it's not, you're not allowed to apply. For example, logarithm, you're not available to apply. Or radian in circle sector question, you cannot use that. All right? You can only use maths in maths. AddMaths cannot use it in maths. If you use AddMaths method, you're going to get wrong. No marks will be awarded for you. All right? Because this is to be fair for students who don't take AddMaths. All right? Okay, now, the area of triangle of OAB means that this OAB, the triangle, it's 1/3 of the area of this sector. So the area of sector is already got, which is 41.7. So you just multiply by 1/3. So what's the area of the triangle here? So the area of the triangle, you guys will get your answer. And you get 13.91. So 13.91 is the area. They want you to find OA. So OA is a side, guys. This is a triangle. This is 53. This and this is equal. They already say, OA and OB is equal. So OA and OB is equal. Alright? So in that case, you're going to find, let's say I assume X and X lah. So how do we find the area of this piece of triangle? We have half AB sine C. So half A is X, B is X, sine angle is 53 degrees equals to 13.91. And now you're just going to solve it one by one. You're going to get half X squared sine 53 equals to 13.91. So here then you're going to get X squared sine 53 equals 1/2, bring it there, you make it times. So it become what? 27.82. And then X squared equals to 27.82 divided by sine 53. Because here times, you move the sine 53 over, you're going to be divide. So your X will be square root of the answer there. 27.82 out of sine 53 degrees. And so you'll get your X value at 5.9. Okay? So 5.9 is the answer. Anyone have question?